This zesty quinoa salad slaps in 5 minutes. If you don't like boring lunches but still want something fast, then make this quinoa salad. Crunchy, herby, tangy. Zero drama. Start with 2 cups cooked quinoa, the base that soaks up all the flavor. Chop 6 radishes for a peppery snap. Slice 3 cucumbers for cool crunch. Dice 2 tomatoes, scoop out the seeds so it doesn't get soggy. Toss in 1 cup chopped cilantro and chopped dill. Herbs are the secret MVPs. Season with salt and season with pepper to taste. Now the dressing. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 cloves garlic, grated 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Whisk, like you mean it, until it's glossy and emulsified. Pour that bright, garlicky goodness over the salad mix, everything together until every grain is coated. Pro tip: pop it in the fridge. The longer it hangs out, the better it tastes. Want it tangier? Add more lemon or vinegar, 1 teaspoon at a time. Serve chilled as a side, a light lunch, a meal prep hero. Fast, fresh, full of flavor. Make it today and thank yourself tomorrow.